Good morning. Good morning everyone. I am Abha from class 12 of KV Lakhanpur. Today I prepared a puzzle under the event of India Toy Fair 2021. Let's have a look. Here is my puzzle. In this puzzle, there are 8 questions related to the Python. First question is collection of function in a well-defined manner. Second is keyword to define a function. Third one is return floor value of x as a float, the largest integer value of x. Return list of strings. Fifth, to include an external file. Sixth, a dash is an unordered collection of non-duplicate item. Seventh one is a random function. You have to tell the answer. Eighth one is a cable consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more wire sheets. So here are the answer and you can try by yourself also. Answer 1 is module, answer 2 is def, answer 3 is flow, answer 4 is read lines, answer 5 is import, answer 6 is set, answer 7 is random and answer 8 is coaxial. Thank you.